Hello! Today we are going to do a DIY project. Removable detachable cable mount for gaming headset Kingston HyperX Cloud and HyperX Cloud 2. I wanted to do this for a really long time. For this you will need 3.5mm socket, but it must be 4-pole because this headset has a microphone. Then you'll also need any 3.5mm 4-pole cable. Of course you can use the original, but then click on the I button and watch how to put on the new 3.5mm 4-pole jack. This mod is very useful because you don't have to repair the original cable. Just replace it with the backup cable and you're good to go. Or if you want to use different length cables for different situations, for example shorter outside but longer for gaming. Start by removing the ear pads. It's very easy. Push one finger behind and just pull it off. Unscrew all 4 screws, but don't lose them. Phillips screwdriver is very useful here. Open up the headset and let's start the surgery. Pull out the original cable. Also remove the other wires, but don't damage the wire that goes further to the right side. Remove the original rubber cable protector, because we won't need it anymore. You can also put it in the DIY box, maybe it will be useful in the future. Try on the new socket. If it doesn't fit, drill the hole until socket tightly fits. When it fits perfectly, check if it doesn't stop you from putting back together the headset. Well, looks okay for me. Then find out which pins for our socket are left, right, ground and mic. Here are the stock cable colors if someone needs it. Pull out both microphone wires to make it easier to solder them to the microphone socket. Adjust the speaker wires so you can easily unsolder them, but then write down which pin is which wire and then unsolder the stock wires. Then prepare 3 wires that we will use to solder socket to the speaker. Solder both microphone wires. After that, solder prepared wires to the socket and then solder microphone wires to the socket. Then steal your mom's or wife's best nail polish and isolate the wires. Put in the socket, but make sure you don't damage the wires. Solder socket wires to the speaker, but don't forget their order. Let's try putting back the headset. If something is not right, don't forcefully squeeze it, it will damage the socket. Just remove the spare plastic that held the stock cable. And now put everything together. Fits perfectly, nice! I really like how it looks. Now connect the headset to the phone or PC and check if everything is working. If everything is working, all we have to do now is glue the socket to the headphones using standard super glue. Apply glue all around the socket as much as you can. While glue is drying, you can use something to squeeze glued place. When glue has dried, put back together the headset. Screw in all the screws and then put on the ear pad. If you have any problems, click on the I button. In that video there are a lot of tips on how to do it better. Congratulations on making the sick detachable cable mount for Kingston HyperX Cloud gaming headset. Looks very nice. Only sad thing is that they did not have a black socket. Although we can color it using marker or nail polish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to support the young medic by clicking the like button and subscribe. Also, you won't miss any DIY videos if you do that. And adios for now.